Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain the order of actions in a turn in Carcassonne board game. The game progresses in clockwise direction, and the player whose turn it is carries out the following actions in the order given. First, the player must draw one new land tile from the tile stacks and place it. Then the second thing the player may do is they may draw one follower from their supply and deploy it to the tile just placed. And the third thing they must do is, if any roads, cities or clusters are completed through the placement of the tile, they must be scored now. And then it's the next player's turn. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.